Hi, this is Connie from Connie's Creations, and I'm here with my assistant.
Hello, I am Jake from Peyton B and their friend.
And we went to the Peddlers Mall. I guess you all know what the Peddlers Mall is.
Yes.
So, I guess you can do your backpack first.
Now we'll save that for... Yes, we gotta keep the viewers enticed.
Well, here's a little dragon.
Yes, since as we know, Connie's Creations loves dragons.
Yeah. That ain't a bad deal. They were $9.99.
Yeah.
And then, of course, I love purple. Favorite color, purple dragon.
Yes, we got a multi-headed dragon.
So if you want to sell me something, just paint it purple and I'll buy it.
Yeah, this was also...
I like that dragon. That's pretty cool
$10.
with all the heads. Yeah.
Yeah.
And even though I do love purple, I did not pick that out.
No, I picked this out because it's a poppet, and as you guys know, I like poppets for no particular reason at all. Totally nothing that would make me inclined to have an entire poppet collection. Oh, no. I can't get this open. Oh.
Well.
What are we doing?
Well, trying to get the poppet out of the bag.
Yeah. But, yes, 'tis not any poppet, it's a poppet
Watch.
apparently. But, yeah, see guys? Poppet. Ooh.
Yes, and then we have another poppet.
Yes. No particular reason at all.
Wow, you actually got that open.
Yeah. But, yes, guys, it's a shooting star.
Stanschnupper.
Yeah, there you go. It's,
Stanschnupper.
yeah, it's a whatever she just said.
And then we have top loaders, and no, they're not shotgun shells.
What? No. These is for cards.
Huh. Well, oh, there's something else in here. Boutons.
Yes, buttons from stand 266. As you guys know, I'm quite the enthusiast of stand 266.
Well, and then we have the backpack.
Yes, also from stand 266. Let's see here. I got this for $12, surprisingly enough.
You have to show the little charging station.
Yes, we will get to that in a second. First, we need to tag off here. There.
I guess we needed the tag off.
Yes. Now, first off, here have
Snappy snaps.
yes. See.
And then what? A little mini backpack under there.
Nothing's gonna get me if I stick my hand in there. But yes, we got lots of zippers here.
Ah, grasshopper.
Yes, which as you guys know, for viewers of my channel, you know that I'm into that One Piece trading card game. and I've been wanting a new backpack that's bigger, because my current one isn't as big as I'd want it to be. So, let me find the zipper. Yeah, so first off here, we've got the pocket, which I wanted a backpack with pocket. Next, we've got a phone charger thingy. I don't know. Yeah, I don't actually know how these work. I didn't even notice that was on there, but sure.
The cashier pointed it out to us.
Yes. Oh yeah, and there's complimentary pencil bag. I'm sure I'll find some use for it, but yeah, so you can see the inside here too. Now it actually, let's see here. Got a fuzzy keychain. Sure. Then we've got a cord.
Charger thingy. Nice.
But yes, this will be my new bag for One Piece. I will just need to pluck it with buttons, and then it will be ready for me to use. This strap as well.
Alright, good deal. Well, I guess that concludes the Peddlers Mall haul.
Yes.
So if you like
This video,
give
us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and
until
next time,
Auf
Wiedersehen,
mach's
gut,
arrivederci,
au revoir,
tschüss,
tschüss,
ciao,
ciao,
adios.
bye.